What have you got for us, Ninja?
I've got something special.
You have got something special.
Brand new release from Bandai. Quite impressive. It is the Perfect Grade Unleashed Nu Gundam.
Who have we got here? We got Murray, we got Ants. Stores easy in your toolbox. It definitely does. Best solder around. Yes, Ant, it definitely is the best solder around. Thunder Turbine, he loves his steamers. Hey guys, I heard a rumor, special guest next week's show. Yes, we are joined next week, episode 310. Ian Quokka Murray will be live in the studio. Not sure what he's bringing, but he's going to show it off. I look forward to having him and can't wait.
Anyway,
Ninja,
I'm here.
Introduce yourself, Ninja, because there might be a lot of people that might not have seen you. Don't very often venture into the studio.
No, I don't.
I reckon the last time was probably 2 years ago.
Maybe last year for New Year's, I reckon.
Yeah, the Christmas special.
Possibly.
With your hat on.
Always.
Your Christmas hat. That is you. Did you see that? Look at that.
It's grand.
Isn't it? Isn't it a beautiful thing? And look, it's even got the matching beard. I love that. I love that it's got the matching beard. So I'm glad that you didn't shave before you come in today because it matches. It's really good looking.
Oh, I'm usually a bit scruffy. No one usually sees me.
Ninja Will, for those of you who don't know, he's here all the time. All the time the shop open, Ninja is here. He's running around. He's finding things. He's serving customers. He's scanning. He's licking stamps.
I'm doing pretty much everything.
Pretty much everything all the time, right?
Always.
And if it's very often that I can't find something, you can just sniff it out. You're like a sniffer dog.
Well, I've gone through and stock taped everything, so
that's just he's stock taped everything. He's put it away. He's warehoused it. He knows exactly where it was, unless it's a 7th scale body. But that's all right. I come to the rescue. I come to the rescue there. What have you got for us, Ninja?
Well, I've got something special.
You have got something special.
Brand new release from Bandai. Quite impressive. It is the Perfect Grade Unleashed Nu Gundam.
Do you know what I can't believe?
What? How big it is?
How big it is. Did you like what I did with the table there?
Yeah, absolutely.
I can do that again. How big the box is. Like,
yeah,
that is front on. Have a look at it side on. Is that full of sprues?
Yes. Completely full.
How many sprues? Have you done any research?
I have not done that amount of research, but it's definitely full.
Can we unbox it?
Absolutely.
Can we?
Absolutely.
Can we get in there?
Yeah, I want to get in there. I want to see what it looks like for myself.
So we had a couple of these arrive. The pre-orders had about 4 of these arrive. The pre-orders have gone out, and there's 3 model kits in here.
There is 3 boxes.
Now I'm going to go to the overhead if I can.
I am sure that is separating both the base of the kit, so the thing that holds it all up, the fins on the back, the like sort of wing, half wing looking thing, and the actual model. It's too big.
That's about as low as we can go on the table. Let's have it. Which box do you want? Probably the middle.
Let's go with the top one.
The top one?
Yeah. Now, this was released specifically for the 45th anniversary of Gunpla.
Tell me about it.
So Bandai, it seems like they've been producing Gunpla for 45 years now. And the last time they made a Perfect Grade Unleashed kit was about 5 years ago for the RX-78-2.
Can I put this one over here?
It's going to have to go on the floor so we can actually fit it.
So you're getting 3 massive boxes into your other one. Look, we've completely messed up the studio. Let's go. Going up. Level 1. Here we go.
This one looks like it's got the main unit.
Main unit. You're the main unit. What are we looking at?
I reckon we're looking at the Nu Gundam itself. Part of the base. Shield and hand parts, accessories.
So in that one box, you're getting 3 oh my lord.
Yeah. It is a lot of plastic. It is definitely very much probably the biggest kit they've ever produced.
Really?
I reckon.
That's 1 in 60 scale, is that right?
Yes. So it's bigger than Master Grade, which is 1 in 100.
Look at the guy's hands. This is just the skeleton of his hand.
Yeah. It's all molded in, all of the joints, everything.
Look at that. That's a massive hand. For a model.
Yeah.
Wow. How long do you think it would take you to build?
It's going to take, if I was to build this, it would take me months.
Look at the shield. This is massive. How tall does this guy stand? It's like
Stands at 56 centimeters.
56 centimeters.
Almost 56 centimeters tall.
That's nearly bigger than Kawa.
Possibly. Have to build it and put it side by side.
Holy moly. I don't want to get too much into this because this is going to be somebody's pride and joy.
Yes.
What special features do you know? Not much.
I don't know too much, but it does come with practically everything you would need to ever recreate anything from the movie that this was based on. So,
which the movie was?
Mobile Suit Gundam, Char's Counterattack.
Is this the instruction?
Yes.
Is that just for this one, or that's this for the
that's
whole?
for the whole thing.
It's like that. You wouldn't even remember. It's like it's like a yellow pages.
Yeah.
Or white pages.
So at the start of the book, you see all of the features.
Let's have a quick squeeze. Holy moly! Is that him?
Yes. Now, another thing about Nu Gundam Perfect Grade, this is the first time that the Nu Gundam has ever been made in a Perfect Grade kit. So this is brand new for the Nu Gundam. It's the highest detail that you could possibly get with this Gundam kit.
So you build the whole mech first and stick the other stuff
Well, you sort of build everything as you go, but you could also just build the interior frames.
Look at the cockpit thing.
Yes.
That's cool. Cockpit expressing the glow of Psycho Frame.
I reckon we should focus on this part here.
Yeah.
It does come with an extra LED set that you can add to it.
It doesn't come with it. It
doesn't come with it, but you can buy an extra LED set to add to your kit so it makes it glow.
Look, if you're going to spend $1,000 on a Gundam, what's another $200 on a lighting kit?
Makes it look more impressive.
Doesn't it?
Absolutely.
So this comes with the full lighting kit and the battery unit and stuff, right?
Everything. This is for the entire setup for this Gundam.
But we've only got a couple of these, so don't miss out. And these will be like
I don't think this is going to last the weekend.
Hey?
I don't think this is going to last the weekend. I think this is just gone.
This is amazing. I just cannot believe the level of detail. I want to get a sprue count in here, a runner count, but they probably don't have it.
It's too much.
It's not too much. It's just the right amount. Oh, it comes at the base.
Yes. Well, it kind of has to.
Well, you can't stand up.
If you're getting something this big, it has to come with a custom base.
Holy moly. That is a good weekend adventure. What do you think?
Oh, absolutely. More than a weekend.
How many hundreds of hours would you put in? Maybe we'll commission Vince to paint one for us.
Oh, that would be an expensive project for us.
He'd go nuts.
Absolutely.
Well, it's like $2,000 for an MG, isn't it? So,
I haven't looked at his prices.
Wow. Well, that is something special. If you love your Gundam, you definitely need this in your life.
Absolutely.
I'm not going to unbox it anymore because it is pretty special. I don't want to take away all the glory from it, but that is amazing. Now at Hearns Hobbies.
Absolutely.
No, do not miss out. Those of you who pre-ordered, thank you very much. And they have gone. You will be receiving yours. They were quite a bugger to put in the mail, actually, but good on you. There's that jet again.
Can't hear it from the other side of the shop. Close to the window, I guess.
Must be. Anyway, thanks for coming in. Thanks for exploring that. John is probably going to lose his fragile little mind, isn't he? What do you think? He's going to lose his fragile little mind when he comes in on Monday?
If it's still here by Monday.